Hello guys, welcome to Arturo's Crazy Life, and this is Jamaica. Okay guys, we finally made it to Jamaica. We just went through the airport. We actually rented a car, which I think is one of the smarter things to do if you don't mind driving in different countries. We paid $360 for the car, and we're here from Friday to Tuesday. And I'm telling you guys, we're gonna save a lot of money by doing that. We were looking at one of the activities, which was Ocho Rios, and they were charging like 100 and something per person to take us over there. So we just opted to rent a car as we usually do, and now we're gonna go pick it up. Also, one thing that you guys have to keep in mind when you come here is this C5 form that you have to fill. Um, they were like very anal about that when we were in Boston. They didn't want to let us in the plane without having that form. But I guess once you get here, if you're a U.S. citizen, they just let you in. I mean, there's that machine that I was teaching you guys, showing you guys earlier, and that's where you scan your passport and you just go on in. But if you are from somewhere else, like me, I'm from El Salvador, I have to get a visa. But since I have my green card, that kind of waivers the visa. So I just have to go and see an immigration officer, and they just let us go on our way. So we're gonna go pick that car up, bro. Okay guys, so we finally made it to Negril. We stand in white sand. Is this beach not resort, it's this beach hotel, and it's really nice. This is the entrance. This is the registration area right here, and it has all these cool flowers in the entrance. And we drove through there, and you have the buildings right on the side of this little road. It's really nice, guys. We drove about 2 hours from Montego Bay, and the views on the way here was really nice. We went through some towns. We saw some kids getting out of school, and we finally made it here. So Anna's checking in us. She's checking us in right now. Guys, this is behind our hotel. They have all these fruit trees out there. It's pretty nice. Plants everywhere. Now come with me and we're gonna do a room tour. So as we come on this side, this is our little entrance. We have a nice little fridge. We bought the jug of water, guys. We have a nice little closet. This is my area, okay? My area, Annie. Ouch. Okay, we have my bag right there. This is our queen size bed. I have my gears here representing. We have a mirror.
I brought you lotion.
She brought me lotion, guys, and this is the best part of this room. This is little balcony, guys. It's a two-person little table. You can have some coffee, smoke that ganja, and this is the view that we have. And over there is the pool, guys. But yeah, guys, this is a really nice place. We paid $400, and we're here from Friday to Tuesday, and I think it's worth it. We'll do 2 hours from Montego Bay. And it was because of the traffic. If we didn't have so much traffic, we would have probably taken an hour and a half at most. But I think it's worth it, and we have beach access. We just have to cross the road, and we'll be right there. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so we got situated in the rooms, and now we're going to explore the property. This is a beach. You have to cross the street to get to it, and this is the walkway. They have some more rooms up here, but they were a little more expensive. And we don't mind crossing the street, so fuck it. Guys, look at this view. Jamaica, first hours, you do not disappoint. It's gorgeous. You have the boats in the background. Guys, so we came for a little walk. I just wanted to, stretch my legs and just see what was around. And it's this endless white sand beach and beautiful like water right behind me. And to the other side is just tons and tons and tons of hotels everywhere. I mean, listen, I heard that Jamaica is nice, but this is really beautiful. It reminds me of Roatan, and that was one of the most fun I had. So it's really nice to come and feel like relaxed. This is gonna be more like a chill vacation, not a traveling experience like we usually do. So we're gonna relax this time, guys. Okay guys, so we just drove all the way from Negril. We took us about 2 hours, I said, to get here. And we're in Martha's Ree. So this is gonna be a really nice experience. This is one of the most popular activities that you see that people do when they come to Jamaica, which is the rafting. And we left it in a little parking lot behind us, and now we're walking to the booth where they have the tickets. So guys, so you get a complimentary drink when you get here. It's a juice, and you can change it up and pay a little extra if you wanna get water or something else. So my man right there, he's getting us a juice. Okay guys, so we just rented the raft. This is the ticket that you're gonna get. It was $99 US, and that includes, like I said, the complimentary drink, the raft ride, and I believe that they also bring you back here once you make it to the end of the trip, and they give you a life jacket that you need to wear when you're in the raft. We're probably not gonna wear it, but I'll see you guys when we get to the raft. Guys, this is where all the rafts are parked. We have all the guys over here. About to get on one of them things. Ready, girl? There you go. Guys, this is pretty awesome. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Arturo, what's your name,
Anna.
brother?
First time here?
Splinter.
No, my second time.
Second time?
First time.
Your first time?
Yes, sir. The guy was telling us that this water comes down from the mountains. That's why it's a little colder than the other water like you will find at the beach. This is mountain water, guys. It's probably why it has that color that it does. It's probably very high and rich in minerals. And that's what makes it have that deep, like bluish flavor color to it. Okay guys, we made it down to the end. It's this dog place that they have, and now we're gonna have to wait to get a ride back to where we parked. But I tell you guys, it was about an hour and it was a really relaxing thing to do, which is nice because we never do relaxing stuff. We're always rushing to get things done. Guys, this is how they load the rafts on that truck that's gonna bring it back to that place where we're first. There you go, brother. There you go. Yes, sir.
No problem, you know? In Jamaica, in Brea.
No worries, right?
Brea.
Guys, the people here are amazing. They're all so friendly.
Hey, you know what?
It's pretty dope.
Yeah, man, they call me the bamboo maker in Jamaica, right?
The bamboo maker in Jamaica, you heard him.
Like your coffee, your soda, your whiskey, rum, beer, hat, and coat. So you're going to see me in my office right down there, okay?
Sounds good, brother.
Yeah, man.
There you go.
Yeah, man, I'm the bamboo maker in Jamaica, right? I'm gonna say, one love, one heart, let's get together and buy my bamboo cup, right? This is the bamboo cup, all right? They call me bamboo maker in Jamaica, right? Like coffee, soda, whiskey, rum, beer, hot and cold, and as long as you live, you don't lose it. Let me show you. Lifetime guarantee. Bamboo with the straw. Okay?
There you
so
go.
I'm not gonna pressure you, I'm gonna give you one for the $5. Hot and cold. Touch and look, man. Don't try to touch. Touch and read.
Look at this, guys.
Read it and see what it says.
This is one love right here.
Right, Bob Marley said one love. So get together and buy my bamboo cup, right?
You guys heard the man advertising over
Yeah,
here.
man. Yeah.
The bamboo cup, guys, with the
Yeah,
extra
man.
here. $5 a pop. That's what the man
Yeah.
right there said. Okay, guys, we made it to Don's River. This is the entrance of the place. I guess it's 25 per person USD. You guys have the sign right there. It's 25 and 17 per person. So we gotta do the line and wait and get our tickets. Okay, guys, so they have a little checkpoint where they scan the bracelet. They get the pink bracelet, and you just go through it. And this is the way. There was a lot of people. I mean, it's also because it's late. Not that late, but it's 2:45 in the afternoon. So it's usually the time that the tour buses and the other people come in here. You excited?
Yeah.
It's gonna be great, guys. Guys, look at this beautiful beach. This is amazing, guys. So up there where I thought it was the falls begin, I was wrong. So the falls begin down here. You wanna go to the water first? Guys, this is where the falls begin. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. The fresh water with the ocean water meet over here. This water is a lot colder than the ocean water, and they have the boat over there. You ready? Alright, baby, go. Going on the bridge, y'all. I need strain. All those hikes. So far, not too bad. Guys, see that chain of people up there. That's where we gotta go. Good job, baby. Now we gotta go up this little ridge. Guys, we're in a very technical part of the climb. It's this part right here. You have water coming down here and you can barely see your footing. You gotta make sure you see where you're stepping first. Right here, right here. Okay guys, that part was very technical. From here on, it's all these little ladders. So we're doing good. I'm glad we took a little time back there to take some photos because the chain of people there is crazy. This is not an easy climb, guys. They even have rails on the side so people don't have any accidents. This is truly beautiful, y'all. We made it up there, now we're going under the bridge, y'all. Guys, this is mad slippery. That's slippery. No, let's go. This is a tour de guide right here, guys. You guys can see how many people they have. It's insane. But some of these parts, if you're not like somebody that's used to going out and doing activities outside, like outdoors, it might be a better idea for you to get a guide. Due to that, it's just like that. There's a lot of holes that you might not see. It is very slippery. I'm way deep in this pool. This is pretty nice, man. At first the water was cold, but now it feels nice, right? Just look at everything that's around us, guys. This is the best part about it. It's just the nature of it. She's being a cuddle buddy right now. Guys, you see that? That climb right there, that's the final climb. Okay guys, so we came to this stop and we took some pictures with Anna. That part right there is so slippery, so if you guys are coming and you guys want to do this, make sure you guys are careful. Be careful, babe. Guys, and these beautiful waterfalls right behind me in Ocho Rios. This is it for this video. If you liked it, please hit me up with a thumbs up and the subscription button down below. And I'll see you in the next video.